Hey, it's Mark from Delmi Solutions and Delmi Training Institute. And did you know installing an AP in an office space is not hard at all? Just ensuring that you have the right equipment and right mounting bracket will make your life easy. As everyone knows, these ceiling tiles are very fragile, easy to break, slightest touch, you can make them dirty. But when you order your AP or your access point, just ensure you get the proper mounting bracket. Ensure it is able to mount onto the T-bar, and then you can save yourself from the headache of it falling in the future. So with this manufacturer that we have, we got the right mounting bracket. This mounting bracket is able to clip onto the T-bar and ensuring that your AP will not fall down and you don't have to make any holes. Very simple. It's simply just clips and that's it. So first thing you want to do is you want to remove the existing AP. So we'll just do that right now. AP that we have over here is very simple to remove. You just slide it to one part. You're gonna hear a click and then just wiggle it a bit and it should come out freely. Just like that. And then you just want to remove the connection, your twisted pair connection out of it. It's just simple like that. Place it down. Now next thing you want to do, this AP also had the same mounting bracket as the new one that we're going to install. It's very simple, it makes your life easy. No extra screws, no stuff like that. So just remove it with the screwdriver. Just like that. So this part is off. Now you just got to remove the important part. That's what's holding the AP together. What you want to grab is one of these small screwdrivers. In the network cabling and electronic security field industry, you'll be using this. This is like your best friend. So ensure that you always have one in your toolkit because it always helps you. So you just want to unscrew these. These screws is what, it doesn't fully penetrate through the T-bar. It just holds it together so this does not move around. And all I do is I push these two, it separates it, and then that's it, it just comes off. So as you pull it together, it closes in and it hooks onto the T-bar. So in between is the T-bar and it hooks into it and holds it. And then this screw over here is what you tighten and it holds it in place. It's not fully penetrating, as you can see, there are no holes in here. But the other one that we're going to be installing makes it very easy. No screws, simple. All you do is just push it together and it'll snap into place for you, making it easy. All we do is go up here and then install it. Just pull it out first, lift up the ceiling towel if necessary, and just push it in and it should hold together, just like that. Very simple. Next thing you want to do, you want to grab the next piece, and then now, depending where the cable is coming from, there's a clip over here, and if you look at the AP that we have over here, this will save you. So when you look at the AP over here, it has this sliding pin. This is what secures it to the other mounting bracket so it doesn't slide out in the future if someone hits it. And all it does is just slides into place. And then all you gotta do is just pull this pin up and pull this one, slide pin, and then push it and it secures into place. So then now this will never come out apart. And then just to release it, you pull the sliding pin again and it comes out easy. Just like that. Now what you want to do is you want to go up, and with these holes, you just have to line it up with the numbers over here and it will just clip into place. Very, very easy. So just get in here and just clip it. Just like that. Once you hear that click, then you know it's fastened and secured and you're good. Now you just grab your AP or your access point. And then you just want to slide it in place. Slide it, slide it, slide it. And then this way you want to pull the pin and the other pin. And then slide it more. It's just very slight. And you put the pin back. And then now it's fast and secure. It's not gonna go anywhere. And all you gotta do left is get some more cable and then insert it. And just insert it into here. Just like that. Boom. Once you connect it, you should see a light. So that means it's powered, which is good. And then once you're done, you pull off the plastic. And you peel off any sticker that they don't want to see. And there you go. Clean install. Your work looks very clean, and that's what you want to achieve, right? So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.